Good morning, students. Welcome back to Maths class. Last class we started compound angles, that is, finding sum and difference formula of sine, cosine, and tangent. Right? That is, we saw the formula sine A plus B, sine A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B, tan A plus B, tan A minus B, cos 3A, sin 3A, tan 3A. Right? Using those formulas, we did exercise 4.2. So today we are going to continue that exercise. Take exercise 4.2, question number 10. And here it is given that, okay, 10 is your homework, already we completed. So we'll start up with 11th question. And your question is, we want to prove. What we want to prove? To prove that sin B minus C by cos B cos C plus sin C minus A by cos C cos A plus sin A minus B by cos A cos B, which is equal to 0. We want to prove this one. Okay, and then we are going to use a formula and we are going to get the answer. So let's see the solution. First, we can take your left hand side. So what is left hand side? Sin B minus C by cos B cos C. Right? Now, sin B minus C. We can use the formula. What formula we can use? Sin A minus B formula. What is sin A minus B formula? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So according to our problem, we can write sin B cos C minus cos B sin C divided by denominator as it is cos B cos C plus next term. What is the next term again? Formula sin C cos A minus cos C sin A divided by cos C cos A again plus the last term sin A sin B sin A cos B minus cos A sin B divided by cos A cos B. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to simplify this one, that is separating the terms, first term by denominator minus second term by denominator, first term by denominator minus second term by denominator. With that, like that we are going to simplify this one. So how can we write the first term? Sin B cos C by cos B cos C minus cos B sin C by cos B cos C. Similarly, the next one, sin C cos A by cos C cos A minus cos C sin A by cos C cos A. Next term, sin A cos B by cos A cos B minus cos A sin B by cos A cos B. Cancel the common terms. So the remaining will be cos B by sin B. So cos by sin we can take it as tan, correct? So tan B minus tan C. Sin C by cos C is tan C. Similar, the remaining will be plus tan C minus tan A plus tan A minus tan B. Again, if you cancel the terms, you will get answer as 0. That is your right hand side. Hence, it is proved. Next problem, 12th one. if tan A minus tan B equal to x and cot B minus cot A equal to y. It is given that using this one we want to prove cot A minus B equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y. Okay, so using the given terms we want to prove this one. Let's get into the solution. So what is it given? Cot A minus cot B equal to x. So tan A minus tan B equal to x. Cot B minus cot A equal to y. Okay, ba? Now we can take cot A minus B. So cot A minus B, how can we write? 1 by tan A minus B. Cot A equal to 1 by tan A. No, that formula we are using here. Okay, which is equal to tan A minus B formula we can use. What is tan A minus B formula? Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Okay, again. So again, which we can write it this as, we can take numerator to the denominator to the numerator. So 1 plus tan A tan B by tan A minus tan B. Tan A minus tan B, it is given as x. So we can write that one as 1 plus tan A tan B divided by x. Okay, and what is given? Also it is given that cot B minus cot A equal to y. Correct? That is, how can we write this cot B? 1 by tan B. So tan B minus 1 by tan A. Cot A வந்து 1 by tan A, which is equal to y. Taking LCM will get tan A minus tan B by tan A tan B equal to y. Again tan A minus tan B, we can take it as x, right? So we can write it this as x by tan A tan B equal to y. And taking y to this side, tan A to tan B to right hand side, you will get x by y equal to tan A tan B. Okay, we can take it this as equation number 2 and this is as equation number 1. Now instead of tan A tan B, what we can use? X by y. So substitute equation 2 in 1. Okay, so what you will get? Cot A minus B equal to 1 plus x by y divided by x. And taking LCM in the numerator, y plus x by bringing y to a denominator, you will get xy. Again splitting this term, you will get y by xy plus x by xy. Cancelling the terms, you will get 1 by x plus 1 by y. That is your right hand side. Hence, it is proved. 13th question. It is given that sin alpha plus sin beta equal to A. Cos alpha plus cos beta equal to B. Again using this, what we are going to prove? Cos alpha minus beta equal to A square plus B square minus 2 divided by 2. Right? Now we can take right hand side here. So what is right hand side? A square plus B square minus 2 divided by 2. Now instead of A, we can write this one, right? So sin alpha plus sin beta the whole square plus cos alpha cos beta the whole square minus 2 divided by 2. Now A plus B the whole square. Sin square alpha sin square beta plus 2 sin alpha cos beta. Similarly, the next term plus cos square alpha cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta minus 2 the whole divided by 2. Again, which is equal to Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha 1. Sin square beta cos square beta 1 plus 2 into this one. Sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha cos beta minus 2 divided by 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Correct? So this 2, that 2 will be cancelled. So what will be remaining? 2 sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha cos beta divided by 2. 2 to cancel, which is equal to sin alpha cos beta. Okay, this is, here I made a mistake. So this is sin. This is also sin. And this is also sin. Now, sin alpha sin beta plus cos alpha cos beta is cos, direct formula, alpha minus beta. That is your left hand side. Hence, it is proved. So, this exercise is only of formula. If you know the formulas, you can proceed the problem by yourself. Next, 14th question. Find the value of, to find is what? Tan pi by 8. We want to find this one, tan pi by 8. Let's see the solution. And we know this identity. What is the identity? Tan 2a. What is tan 2a formula? 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a is a formula. Okay. So what we are going to do is, let a equal to pi by 8. So a equal to pi by 8. Now what you will get? 2 tan, instead of a, what you are going to do? Pi by 8 divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 8. Okay, which is equal to this side what? Tan 2a. So tan 2a. 2, 8 cancel panna, 4 you will get, right? Tan pi by 4 is 1, correct? So 1 equal to 2 tan pi by 8 divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 8. Now, taking denominator to the other side, so you will get 2 tan pi by 8 equal to 1 minus tan square pi by 8. And taking everything to one side, tan square pi by 8 plus 2 tan pi by 8 minus 1 equal to 0. Now, we are going to find out this answer for this quadratic equation. Okay, so what formula we can use? Okay, we can take a equal to 1. B equal to 2, C equal to minus 1. Okay, formula, what formula we can use? X equal to minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. This is a quadratic formula, right? So that we can use. So what we can write? Tan pi by 8 equal to, minus B means minus 2 plus or minus root of 4 minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 divided by 2 into 1. Okay, simplifying this, what you will get? Minus 2 plus or minus root 8 by 2. Again 8 you can write it as minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 2. Either 4 2s are 8. So 4 root is 2. So 2 root 2 divided by 2. And all 2 will get cancelled, right? So what will be remaining? Minus 1 plus or minus root 2. And what is meaning this one? Plus or minus means both positive and negative, right? Now look at this, right? Left hand side is pi by 8. That is, since tan pi by 8 is an acute angle, acute angle. So acute angle now, it will not be negative. Okay, so tan pi by 8 equal to, here negative means minus 1 minus root 2 is not possible. Acute angle you will not get a positive value. Okay, so what is your final answer? Tan pi by 8 equal to only positive value, that is minus 1 plus root 2. Okay, and tan pi by, again we can write it this as tan pi by 8 equal to root 2 minus 1 is your final answer. Next question. 15th one. It is given that tan alpha equal to 1 by 7, sin beta equal to 1 by root 10. Using this two thing, we want to prove that alpha plus 2 beta equal to pi by 4. And the angle it is given that 0 less than alpha less than pi by 2, 0 less than beta less than pi by 2. Okay, now we can get into the solution. Look at this alpha beta. Alpha beta lies in first quadrant, right? So first quadrant all will be a positive. Okay, so first we can take what is given, tan alpha equal to 1 by 7. What we want to find, alpha plus beta equal to pi by 4. Okay, now alpha plus 2 beta equal to, we want to prove this one, pi by 4. Okay, so let us, we can take tan alpha plus 2 beta. So what is tan alpha plus 2 beta formula? Tan alpha plus tan 2 beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan 2 beta. Now, instead of tan alpha, we can substitute 1 by 7. So, you will get this one. Okay, now again, we know the formula. What is the formula? Tan 2b. What is tan 2b formula? 2 tan b by 1 minus tan square b. That is equal to 2 1 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 9, or 2 by 3. Into taking LCM, 1 9 is 9, 9 11 pochna 8, so 9 by 8 again, which is equal to, cancel 3 3s are 9, 4, so 3 by 4. What is tan 2 beta? 3 by 4. Now we can substitute here, that is 1 by 7 plus 3 by 4 divided by 1 minus 1 by 7 into 3 by 4. Again taking LCM, what you will get? 4 plus 21 by 28 divided by 7 4s are 28. So 28 la 3 pochna 25 by 28. Now this is also 25 by 28. This is also 25 by 28. Equal to 1. Correct? That is tan pi by 4. So what is your left hand side? Tan alpha plus 2 beta equal to tan pi by 4. Now tan will get cancelled. So what will be remaining? Alpha plus 2 beta equal to pi by 4. This only we want to prove now. Hence it is proved. With this we complete our exercise 4.2, that is compound angle. Next we are going to see transformation formula. Okay, so transformation formula means, that is we are going to transfer the product, transformation of product into sum or difference. Okay, so this is, we have formula. Using those formula we are going to proceed. Now take your book, page number 138. In that we have the set of formulas. This is transformation of product into sum or difference. Look at here. 2 sin A cos B. So this is product. This how we can transfer into a sum or product formula? Sin A plus B plus sine A minus B. Similarly, 2 cos A sin B equal to sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. So all the 6 formulas, take it in your class work note. Heading is transformation. Okay, so take this all 6 formulas. Similarly, this one. Next is what is transformation of sum or difference into product. That is, sum will be there. We are going to transform this into a product. Okay, that is, see, look at here, sin C plus sin D. What is the formula? 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So all these 4 formulas here, 6 formula, here 4 formula. All these formulas, take it in your classwork note. Next exercise, that is your exercise 4.3, is only of transformation of product into sum or difference, or sum of difference into product. Using this 10 formula, we are going to proceed. Now just go through all these 10 formulas. If you know this only, we can proceed the exercise. Exercise 4.3, first problem. Find the, express each of the following as sum or difference of sine and cosine. So here product is given. We want to find out sum or difference. So first set of formula we are using. So first problem, third subdivision. Question: cos 7a by 3 sine 5a by 3. Okay, this is product. Okay, so cos A sin B. Now which formula we can use? To cos A sin B formula we can use. What is the answer? Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Okay, we can use this one. But look at the question. Before using the formula, in the formula we have 2. But in question, 2 is missing. Correct? So we can multiply and divide by that 2. Okay, so first we can multiply and divide by 2. What you will get? 1 by 2 into 2 cos 7a by 3 sin 5a by 3. Now, can we use this formula? 2 cos A sin B. Yes. What is 2 cos A sin B formula? Half we can take outside. Sin A plus B. Sin A plus B. A value this one, B value this one. So 7A by 3 plus 5A by 3 minus sin A minus B. So 7A by 3 minus 5A by 3, which is equal to 1 by 2 of sin 7 plus 5, 7 3 12, 12A by 4. So 12A by 4, 12 3 cancel panna 4A. So sin 4A minus sin 7 la 5 pochna 2. So 2 by 3. We can't cancel. Sin 2 by 3A is your final answer. Now second subdivision. Cos 60 degree plus A sin 120 degree plus A. So here also look at this one, product. So we are going to transform product into sum or difference. Now what formula we can use? Cos sin. So 2 cos A sin B. What is the formula? Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Okay, and what is missing? 2 is missing. So multiply and divide by 2. 1 by 2 of 2 cos 60 plus A sin 120 plus A. Okay, now we can use this formula. 1 by 2 we can take common. 2 cos A sin B. First is sin A plus B. So sin A plus B, now we have to add all those things. 60 degree plus A plus 120 degree plus A minus sin 60 degree plus A minus 120 degree minus A. Simplifying this, 1 by 2 sin 180 degree plus 2A minus will get cancelled. Sine 60 minus 120 is minus 60. Okay, which is equal to 1 by 2 sine 180 degree plus theta. Sine 180 plus theta. Okay, so here we can write it this 180 plus 2a. Sine 180 plus theta is minus sine theta. So minus sine 2a. And sine 60 degree value root 3 by 2. Inga minus irukanaala minus root 3 by 2. One more minus will become plus. So plus root 3 by 2 is your final answer. Now, second problem. Express each of the following as a product of sine or cosine. So here sum or difference is given. We want to find transform the given sum or difference into product of sine or cosine. Now third subdivision, sine 6 theta minus sine 2 theta. Okay, so which formula we can use here? Sine c plus what is that? Sine c minus sine d formula we can use. Okay, so sine c minus sine d. What is the formula? Sine c plus sine d minus 2 sine c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. This formula we can use. Okay, so we can get into this solution. Now sine 6 theta minus sine 2 theta, which is equal to, what is the formula? Okay, I made a formula mistake. Sine c minus sine d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. Okay, so we can write it this as plus 2 cos c plus d by 2 na 60 plus 6 theta plus 2 theta divided by 2 sine 6 theta minus 2 theta divided by 2, which is equal to 2 cos 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 2 is 4. So 4 theta sine 6 2 pochna 4 by 2 is 2 theta. So sine 2 theta is your final answer. One more problem I'll do. Second subdivision. Cos 2a plus cos 4a. Now, which formula we can use here? Cos c plus cos d. Correct? So, what is cos c plus cos d formula? 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Now, what is the formula? 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 by 2, 3. 4 minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 by minus 2, 1. So, minus a. Okay, which is implies 2 cos 3a. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So, this is your final answer. Now, we can stop with this problem, and your homework is exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3. Remaining problems of first and second problem. Thank you, students.